So guys, I'm discuss about that. If you already pre-recorded video, how to create the live streaming option. So right now I'm live, but right now I'm not live, but it's showing for live option. This feature will give by the Premier, Facebook Premier option. The option name is called Facebook Premier option. Now, how to create that feature on the particular page option. But Facebook Premier option, we can create by using schedule option. So right now, I go to this, create a post, upload the video. We can select the video here. Copy. Select your page. This compulsory follow instruction. What are the parameters will be need? Finish it. Title, description, tags. We have to finish in tags. Will be here. You have to wait. The tag will be showing up to your tag option. So here, still not waiting for tag. You have to wait for some time. It will show your particular tag. So what we can add in here? Title, description, and the tag option. So you have just to take time, sir. Done. Next, in the description part, add your particular parameters here. Now, first step will be add your title, description, and particular tags. And add your peoples, add your particular options, and check-in places. It all will be here. Everything we can add your option here. Messenger button. Here will be tag products and tag unpaid promotions. Here, every option will be there. Next option will be thumbnail. We are adding for thumbnail here in the particular option. Adding thumbnail here. Subtitle option, auto generate. You can create your poll option. Poll nothing but based on the video particular second, you can create the poll option will be here. That you wish, create the poll option. Total video create one poll, or you can create by the each video particular second, create the poll option also will be there. Next, tracking here. Tracking nothing but we can add your particular things. Next option we can go for 360 degrees direction tool also. Next, that is not required here. The premier thing is called, one is a page engagement. We can go with this option and people will engage with the particular things. Here they're showing some option will be there. This option nothing but to earning money from your Facebook page. The video required for 3 minutes long. Video description done, tags done, HD video also done, and a particular part will be done. The main key point here in the down option, video uploading, playlist will be there. These are the particular playlist. If you want to create the playlist here, here the playlist option. After create the playlist, select it. We can add multiple playlist option. We can sharing for other pages also by if available by the admin for the particular videos. See here how many videos we have sharing for particular videos. So these are the particular option will be there in the particular in this premium option. News feed. We can stop the news feed distribution, display and watch, and we can access in for allow embedding option also. This allow embed nothing but to people play the video for website also and add secret video here. Video post with the premiere and a video post will be there. On time schedule in the publish option or publish now will be there. Video post and publish now will be here in this one. but we need to using for which one? Premier option. The premier time they're using for schedule option. Schedule will be here. Here. Minimum required for 10 minutes of time for the schedule your post option. Here. I'm schedule here for the option. This premier live feature only we can schedule the post on the premier option. The premier feature only for video on the particular Facebook page that we can show will be like this on the live option. So this live people will engage for users on the particular page and schedule it. The video will be scheduled in the particular time, the particular date with the proper thumbnail and proper option. Premier feature will be used for the scheduled time. Previous on-time premier is there. Now they can move to the scheduled premier will be given in the particular timings. Schedule will be in the particular here. Suppose if you want schedule time will be have to change. You can change your schedule time also will be there. That will be only valid for premier only week. That is a call 7 days. 10 minutes time to up to 7 days particular time you can premier will be scheduled for live the Facebook page option. So this is called we can creating for Facebook live streaming on the particular Facebook page option. The live streaming we can show by the here simple edit this option for settings. A selecting option will be template and tabs. You can selecting for tabs option after open here. Live will be there. In this future is done. Now check. When live is there, they're showing for red color button. They're showing live will be here. So live will be finished. Next reminder will be here in the particular time. That is called Facebook Premiere. This is the pre-recorded video we can creating for live stream on the Facebook page option.